Rainforest, destruction, desperation, climate change. Cutting down forests, starting farms, endangering animals. The earth is heating up. An ecosystem is all the plants, animals, and organisms in an area who interact with each other. All the organisms have their own role to play.
The tropical rainforest is getting smaller from deforestation and fires. Deforestation is causing us to lose precious oxygen. The rainforest is sometimes called the Earth's lungs because the rainforest makes fresh oxygen.
There are animals in many ecosystems whose homes are being destroyed.
The ecosystem that houses the largest amount of biodiversity on the planet. If it is destroyed, lots of plants and animals will become extinct. Kids should tell their parents to help make laws that cutting down rainforest trees should be illegal.